Question 8. Which country hosted the 2025 G20 summit? A. India. B. South Africa. C. Brazil. D. Japan. Correct answer is B. South Africa. Question 2. Who became the new CEO of Twitter, X, in 2025? A. Parag Agrawal. B. Linda Yaccarino. C. Elon Musk. D. Satya Nadella. Correct answer is B. Linda Yaccarino. Question 3. Which country re-elected India to the IMO Council Category B seat in 2025? A. USA. B. China. C. India. D. Russia. Correct answer is C. India. Question 4. India dispatched humanitarian aid to which country in 2025? A. Bangladesh. B. Afghanistan. C. Myanmar. D. Nepal. Correct answer is B. Afghanistan. Question 5. Which Indian city is set to host the International Fleet Review 2026? A. Mumbai. B. Visakhapatnam. C. Kochi. D. Chennai. Correct answer is B. Visakhapatnam. Question 6. Which Indian institution signed an MoU with DRDO for smart defense technologies in 2025? A. IIT Delhi. B. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalay. C. ISRO. D. NIT Warangal. Correct answer is B. Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalay. Question 7. Which sport did India top in the 2025 Asian Championship? A. Archery. B. Badminton. C. Hockey. D. Shooting. Correct answer is A. Archery. Question 8. Which country launched the world's first AI regulatory law, AI Act? A. USA. B. China. C. India. D. European Union. Correct answer is D. European Union. Question 9. Which Indian airline cancelled over 1,000 flights in December 2025 due to operational crisis? A. SpiceJet. B. Indigo. C. Air India Express. D. Go Air. Correct answer is B. Indigo. Question 10. Which Indian state launched the Mukhyamantri Sadak Yojana in 2025? A. Odisha. B. Bihar. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Odisha. Question 11. Who is the current Chief Justice of India, CJI, in 2025? A. N.V. Ramana. B. D.Y. Chandrachud. C. U. Lalit. D. Ranjan Gogoi. Correct answer is B. D.Y. Chandrachud. Question 12. Which country won the Women's T20 World Cup 2025? A. Australia. B. England. C. India. D. South Africa. Correct answer is C. India. Question 13. India's rank in the 2024 Global Innovation Index was A. 40, B. 42, C. 46, D. 50. Correct answer is A. 39. Question 14. Which Indian movie won international awards in 2025? A. Kantara. B. RRR. C. The Elephant Whisperers. D. None. Correct answer is C. The Elephant Whisperers. Question 15. Global Climate Summit 2025 was held in A. UAE. B. Brazil. C. Turkey. D. China. Correct answer is B. Brazil. Question 16. Which Indian bank launched the Utsav Deposit Scheme in 2025? A. SBI. B. HDFC. C. ICICI. D. PNB. Correct answer is A. SBI. Question 17. India's first AI teacher robot was launched in which state? A. Karnataka. B. Delhi. C. Kerala. D. Maharashtra. Correct answer is C. Kerala. 18. Which bilateral business council was launched between India and Denmark in 2025? A. Indo-Denmark Trade Forum. B. Indo-Danish Business Council. C. Denmark-India Commerce Alliance. D. Indo-Nordic Trade Council. Correct answer is B. Indo-Danish Business Council. Question 19. Which organization was re-elected to UNESCO's Executive Board for 2025-29? A. UNESCO. B. UNDP. C. UNICEF. D. WHO. Correct answer is A. UNESCO. Question B. Who became the President of Sri Lanka in 2025? A. Ranil Wickremesinghe. B. Anura Kumara. C. Mahinda Rajapaksa. D. Sajith Premdasa. Correct answer is B. Anura Kumara.